60-second van tour. We got Drifter.Journey. Greg and Jess, show us around.
Whoa. We're in a 2017 Ram ProMaster 2500.
Front doors are locked.
Oh no.
For about 2 years.
2 years.
Swivel seat, the truck fridge, Dometic sink and dual burner combo.
Oh, nice.
We got some kitchen stuff, bathroom stuff, a little pantry down here. Bed, kitchen table. This is on a swivel, so it moves around, which is awesome.
Storage.
Woo! What's the van's name?
It doesn't have a name.
No name.
No.
You guys have lived in for 2 years?
Over 2 years, yeah, we still haven't come up with a name for it.
What's your favorite part and what's your least favorite part?
I think my favorite part is the fact that the bed actually goes up and down, so when we don't have the bikes in here, we can lower it about 9 inches and have a lot more headroom. Least favorite part would be that we don't have a ton of lighting, so we only have these 3 puck lights down the center, so it can feel pretty dark in here when we don't have a lot of natural light coming in. You want to show them the garage?
Yeah, let's
show them the
garage.
See the garage. Dang, got the bike on the back, the motorcycle.
That might be the favorite part for me. It's the motorcycle. Yeah, so the garage, we just got these 2 sliders in here. And
water's connected.
Water's connected, so I knocked it over, but it's fine.
10 ways you can put water in your van.
But more storage bins than mountain bikes.
Heck yeah.
Did we keep it under a minute?
Where could the people find you?
Drifter.Journey on Instagram and YouTube.
Follow them on YouTube.
Yeah.
We need a quick Vanny Ain't No Joke shout out.
Vanny Ain't No Joke.